In approximately 1 minute, Pacum can increase up to double the capacity of your luggage. But we believe it's the best one. Pacum isn't the first handheld vacuum compressor in the world, one-handed operation. Just plug it into the power source and you can start. Panel light indicates the function setting. There are 2 pump modes, Eco Mode and Super Mode. Eco Mode can be used for compressing food storage bags. With Super Mode, you can finish the compression process with our Pacum bag in approximately 1 minute. Pacum is an automatic vacuum with an intelligent design. You can just ignore Pacum and do whatever you want once it starts. The Pacum will stop automatically after it's done compressing. One little suggestion, don't plan on doing too much as you only have approximately 1 minute. We care about your experience. There are often times when you have shopped too much and do not have enough vacuum bags for storage. Therefore, we have provided the Padapter. The Padapter works with most other brands of vacuum bags. You won't have to worry about not having enough Pacum bags to compress all your stuff. The intelligent design auto stop still functions when using Padapter. The Pacum is a lifestyle vacuum rather than just a travel vacuum. Pacum can actually pump in footballs, basketballs, beach balls. Our port uses M8 size, which is compatible with most of the inflatable accessories in the world. The Pacum can do all that. The fabulous design needs brilliant supporters to make it happen. We hope our design is beneficial and makes your everyday life a lot easier. Pacum can improve the quality of life and travel experiences. With Pacum, you have control of your own space.